I said I'd save Pete for the last video. This is the last video, but it's not going to be the last moment. This is the Pete parrot. Where'd the Pete go? On my shoulder. Yeah, Pete's on my shoulder right now. There's parrots galore. I love releasing the parrots. Is that all you have to spend? Let me go check the dispensers. They're all out of parrot spawn eggs. Seriously. Ooh, let's go backstage. Let's go backstage here. Whoa. This is redstone. Whoa. That's crazy. Pete, I know I'm not supposed to go in there, but that's okay. Let's go backstage because we're having a dance. No fair. You have dragon's breath. Well, if you have it that way, then I'm going to drink one of my potions. Where have I gone? I don't know where. I'll unequip my elytra so you won't see me. Ooh, so I can sneak on stage. Pete, you're giving me away. Shoo. He hates this. He hates when I go like super fast around in circles. Let me see if I dropped him. Seriously, Pete. You're clutching on for dear life. Which you're clearly not. There we go, finally, Pete. You're just messing things up for me. Our next station is this banner station. So if you ever want to see how to craft some banners, it's right here if you want to pause the video. I kind of feel like weight is around here. So if you want to craft some banners, you just can pause the video whenever you see the banner type you want to make. Here we go. There we go. So this is probably going to be one of the last episodes because we still have to get back to our house. That's a problem. So the next episode, we are trying to figure out how to get back to our house. Bye, and I'll probably still be invisible.